ঘরে পরিবর্তন Sometimes you forget to eat and drink but never forget mobile phone Everywhere you go, whether in your pocket or in your bed using mobile phone Sometimes mobile phone is very dangerous that people fight for silly things. Girlfriend getting, boyfriend busy. Girlfriend getting, boyfriend busy. Boyfriend getting, girlfriend busy. What a mobile phone making people confused. Mobile phone. Sometimes mobile phone is wasting our time. Let people busy simply. Boys playing PUBG game. Nobody them. Girls watching serial. Small children watching Cartoon Network. Tom and Jerry. What a mobile phone making people addicted.
Right
I am using mobile phone. You also using mobile phone. Everybody using mobile phone. What a পরিবর্তন Good morning to good night. Good night to good morning. Sleeping with mobile phone. Wake up with mobile phone. Bedroom to toilet. Toilet to kitchen. Kitchen to workplace mobile phone. Everywhere you go, whether in your pocket or in your bed, maybe mobile phone. Using Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. Voice call, video calling, chatting, also using mobile phone. What a mobile phone making people attraction. Without mobile phone, people become pagol. Mobile phone. I am using mobile phone. Mobile phone. Kado use mobile phone. Ite jelalo. Thank you. Mobile phone mampu kapangke.
Solo mobile aja ni ben. Kenal atin te. Kenal made.